and welcome back to our wild Ohio. I've got to be honest with you, spring is my absolute favorite time of year. The birds are singing, the spring flowers are starting to show their beautiful colors, and thank the Lord above, it's Morel season. It's that magical time when we get to head out into the woods and hunt for those delicious gifts from Mother Nature. Have you ever spent hours searching only to come home empty-handed? Or maybe you're brand new to foraging and don't even know where to begin? Well, what if I told you I could change all that? I can practically guarantee you'll find more morels than you'll know what to do with. We've all been there. You spend 4 hours hiking, scanning every log and every elm, only to walk out with a handful of wood ticks and an empty basket. It's frustrating. But what if you could change your programming? What if you could step into these woods with the precision of a machine? That's right. I'm talking about turning you into a morel mushroom hunting machine. A machine is only as good as its hardware. For us, that's our gear and our eyes. We use mesh bags to let those spores drop back into the earth. It's about sustainability and sovereignty. But the real hardware is your vision. You aren't looking for a mushroom, you're looking for a pattern. Once your brain downloads the honeycomb geometry of a morel, you won't be able to unsee it. To find them like a pro, you need the right data. You're looking for indicator species. When the May apples are about 6 inches high and the trillium is blooming, the morel window is open. Scan the base of dying elms. Look for that slippery bark. If you find one, stop. Don't move. A machine doesn't just grab one and leave. It scans the entire radius. Where there is one, there are usually 10. The ultimate goal isn't just the find, it's the fuel. Reclaiming our authority over our food is what this is all about. There is nothing like the taste of a wild morel fried up in a little butter and salt. It's a gift from the land that you earned with your own 2 hands. If you're ready to fully optimize your skills, you need to watch my ultimate morel mushroom hunting guide. It's the full system, start to finish. You have to check it out. You don't want to miss out on the easiest and simplest tips to finding these rare gifts of nature. I've made it so easy. Anyone can find them. Seriously, you don't want to miss this. The purpose for creating the ultimate morel mushroom hunting guide was to give anyone interested in foraging morels a general working knowledge of the secrets you need to find them. And I promise, if you watch the whole series, who start to finish with a little persistence, you'll find more morels than you can eat. We cover it all: where to look, when to look, and even some of my own personal secret recipes. You'll be frying them up, sharing them with friends, and still have some left over. It's all about knowing what to look for, and I break it down step by step so you can walk into the woods with confidence. And hey, this is a community. We love hearing from you. Don't be afraid to reach out and leave us a comment. Let us know about your finds, ask questions, or just stop by to say hello. We read every single comment, and your stories and successes are what keep us going. Your journey is our journey, and we're all in this together. So, what are you waiting for? Watch the guide, grab your gear, and get out there and find those mushrooms. Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. And thank you for spending this time with us. And please leave us a comment and let us know if you like this video. Or if you want to just say hello. We'd love to hear from you. And please share this video with your friends and family and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, get out there and find those mushrooms. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.
Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you, and I truly hope you found some valuable insights along the way. If you'd like to stay connected, I invite you to join our family by signing up for our newsletter at ourwildohio.com, so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. Also, it helps support the channel and doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us more than you know. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X, so don't miss out on the unique content that you'll only see there. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.